Isn't it insane that this channel got over 2 million views on their very first upload? The crazy thing is that they didn't achieve this by chance. They follow a structure that works every time. The algorithm doesn't give a shit about subscribers or followers. Watch time is the most important statistic you have when it comes to how you edit your video. This is where the leading question structure comes into play. The leading question structure isn't something most content creators want you to know about, but why should you trust me? Well, I run over 300 channels and have built an entire company around running channels with this exact structure, so trust me when I say that I know exactly how the algorithm works. Let's have a look at this channel, Jump Shot. Their first upload has accumulated over 2 million views in just 8 months. This particular video starts with a crazy statement that makes people have a leading question and makes them want to keep watching the video because they need to know the answer. The creator wants the viewer to always have a question in their mind that gets answered very quickly. However, that answer has to then provide the viewer with another question to ponder, creating a chain of questions that keeps them watching the video. The watch time will skyrocket, and we all know YouTube loves that. This is only one part of the content creation process, though. Alongside the triangle of content creation, which I uncovered in my last video, if you want more details, leave a comment and I'll make another video with all the answers you seek.